Now, thus, what is production possibility curve? It is the graphical representation of the production possibility schedule, okay, given the resources and the technology. Now, before going into production possibility curve, we have got some assumptions. What are the assumptions? That the resources are given. However, the resources can be transferred from one use to another. Like if we are producing guns and butter is a food. So, guns and butter, then or war goods and consumer goods, then the labor and capital can be transferred from guns to butter or from butter to guns. Okay, so the resources are fixed, but it can be transferred from one use to another. Okay, technology is given. Okay, now with the help of given resources, only two goods can be produced. Okay, resources are fully and efficiently utilized. Moreover, resources are not equally efficient. So when resources are transferred from production of one good to another, the productivity decreases. So resources are not equally efficient means what? Labor which I am using in the production of guns, it may be not be efficient for the production of butter in that level. So if I transfer my labor power from the production of guns to labor, as they are not equally efficient for butter production, the productivity will fall. The production will fall. So that is why they are saying that they are efficiently used, but they are not efficient, not equally efficient. So when resources are transferred from one use to another, the productivity is falling. Level of technology, as I said, is assumed to be constant. So these are the few assumptions which are very important and should be noted down. Okay, now I will show you the production possibility schedule. See, these are the combinations. A, B, C, D, E, F, G are the combinations. Okay, this is the production of guns, this is the production of butter. So just check one thing. If gun is being produced, if all the resources in the economy are used in the production of guns, see, butter is being produced is 0. Now see the last digit. If all the resources in the economy are used in the production of butter, so the production of gun is 0. Okay, now see the other digits. Production of guns. Now when I am dividing the resources, if I am increasing the production of butter by 1 unit, see, it has fallen down. Again, when I am increasing another unit of production of butter, see, the production of gun has fallen down by another amount. Again, I am increasing the production of butter, see, it has fallen down more. Again, I am increasing 1 unit, it has fallen down. Again, 1 unit increase, production of gun has fallen down by another unit. Again, this has become 0. So, it is clear that as we increase the production of one commodity, we have to sacrifice 1 unit of the production of other commodity. But the combination will be such that the satisfaction will be equal. Okay? Now, I will plot these combinations. Now, see this thing. Now, these combinations are being depicted by A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now, these combination of two commodities, these points, we will plot in a graph, which we are calling the production possibility curve. See, here also you can see it is downward sloping curve. Earlier in demand, I explained when two variables will be moving in the opposite direction, there will be a negative relation. So here the thing is same. See, if I'm increasing the production of cloth or butter or food production I'm increasing, then I have to decrease the production of gun because my resources are scarce and I have to use it in the two. So both of the variable are moving in the opposite direction, so it is again downward sloping. See, it is again downward sloping. Here we have measured butter in the horizontal axis, in the vertical axis we have measured guns. See, we have plotted the points. 15, 1, then 18 is 5, 21 is 3. Again, if I am increasing the amount of production of butter to 5 units, it is falling down to, gun production is falling down to 6 units. Okay, so as I am increasing the production of butter, the production of gun is falling down. Okay, so it is a downward sloping production possibility curve. Okay.